Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Pushkaraj Shinde and today I am going to tell you the information about the stem cell. So basically, the stem cells is a upcoming a new generation in the upcoming and new generation medication, as we can say, because it is the future of the medicine that whatever we are using right now, because because right now we are using a medicine drugs which have possible side effects, which it can produce the adverse drug reaction. But the stem cell therapy or stem cell, when it's given to the human body, it does not give any side effect, and it does not give any adverse drug reaction, because it fully made it is the natural, it is not an artificial, or it is not is made by the chemicals or any kind of drugs molecule, etc. So because it is natural, because and that's why it have a zero side effects, and it give a same therapeutic effect as a normal medicine give, but with the less adverse events or adverse reaction. So what is the stem cell? The stem cell is an undefined cell that can be divided to produce some offspring cells that continue as a stem cell, and some cells are designed to differentiate. Stem cell are organizing. So the stem cell are the ongoing source of the cells that make up the tissue and organ of animal and plant. So basically, the what is the stem cell? The stem cell is a mainly obtained or derived from the mother. When the umbilical cord is cut, the stem cell are present in that, and in future, in for example, in future, that baby grown up and by accident he lost, he have a any internal damage to his, for example, pancreas, stomach. Then according to this therapy, when we obtain a stem cell from that particular umbilical cord, and when given to the patient, that stem cell starts to starts to reproduce the whatever cells which are died in that particular organ or a particular system, and then it recreates the then it recreates the full organ, or and it increase the efficiency of that particular organ, and it possibly reproduce, it is not theoretical, but it is possibly that if the human being doesn't have any arm, but his umbilical cord is saved and the stem cell is given to that particular place, then it can also regenerate the tissues. It also can regenerate the bones. It also regenerate the flesh and full hand. So that's why the stem cell therapy is very important, and it can grow in animal, it can grow cells in the plants and animal also. There is a great interest in the stem cell because they have potential in development of the therapies, replacing the defective or damaged cells resulting from variety of disorder and injuries, such as heart disease and Parkinson disease and diabetes. There are two types of stem cell. The first one is a embryonic stem cell, and second one is a mouse embryonic stem cell. So basically, embryonic stem cells is present in the human. The embryonic stem cell are the stem cell that derived from the inner mass of the mammalian embryo. It is very early, and it is a very early stage in the development, and when it is composed of the hollow sphere of divided cells. The embryo cells is from the human embryos, as I can say, it is mainly obtained from the or extracted from the human being, and the second is the embryonic stem cell, and it is obtained from the animals. The most studied embryonic cells cells are the mouse embryonic cell, which were the first reported in 1981, and this stem cell can be cultured, identified in the presence of leukemia inhibitory factor and inhibitory factor and if it culture mouse embryonic cell injected into early mouse embryo at the blackest stage, it will become integrated into the embryo and produce a cell that differentiate into the most of the all tissue and the subsequent development. So basically whatever the mouse cells have been extracted from the mouse, and when it's given to the again given to the it produce cells, it produce tissue, it produce and it replicate everything that is required. So that's why the stem cell is a new upcoming generation of the new medicine era, and stem cell therapy is very important, and it is very in future it is going to very successful and very popular. So thank you for watching this video, guys.